Gawa naman tayo ng isang popular Korean street food na hotdog. It's like a bready pancake na may filling sa Nami Island sa Korea ko to first na tikman and very memorable yung lasa nito. First, ipabloom muna natin yung yeast by heating water cream sa microwave for 50 seconds. Then, mix sugar and yeast, then let it sit for about 5 minutes. Sa bowl naman ng mixer natin, put 3 cups of bread flour and salt. Once activated na yung yeast mixture natin, ihalo na natin to sa flour. Then, kailangan natin imasa for about 10 minutes. You can do this by hand or para mas madali, pwede rin sa mixer. Once done, i-butter lang natin or oil yung lalagyan, then let the dough rest for about 1 hour. Cover and after 1 hour, kailangan mag-double yung size. I divided the dough into 6 pero pwede namang 8 if you want smaller hotdog. For filling, I made ube halaya the other day. Nilagyan ko ng cheese. Then, I mashed red beans. Pero usually sa Korea, ang filling ng hotdog is brown sugar, cinnamon, and nuts. You can do that too. Mas type ko lang yung ube cheese. Ilagay lang natin yung filling sa loob, then seal tightly. Isa din sa favorite kong pang filling ang red bean, kaya I always have this a ref. Namiss ko talaga yung lasa nito. Nung pumunta ako sa Greenfields Weekend Market, wala na yung nagtitanda nito, kaya I decided to make one. Once done, i-fry na natin in medium-high heat yung dough. Then, i-turn over natin pag brown na yung ilalim, then press it with a flat material. Meron na bibiling hotdog presser, pero pwede na rin to for me. Hindi ko na ginawang super nipis kasi baka lumabas yung filling. Tada! Our hotdog is ready! Ang sarap talaga nito, tas very flexible pa. Kahit anong gusto nyong filling, pwede nyong ilagay sa loob. Pwede ring Nutella or peanut butter. This is very easy to make. Tag me if na-follow nyo yung recipe na to.